Hello friends, I'm Rahul and you are watching Education Talks. I hope you guys are well. Here once again I am back with another video, and today I'm gonna share you some really amazing courses from Udemy which are free with free certificates and lifetime access. So be with me till the last of video. So let's start the video now. So we are gonna see about our courses. So the first course is the complete iOS app developer course. This is highly rated course. You can see 4.4 is one of the top highest rated course. The total duration of this course is 20 hours. You can see the coupon code here. In this course you can learn about how to develop an Android iOS app, and you will be able to develop app like Facebook, Instagram, and you can able to develop like games like Pokemon and else others. So you should definitely try this course. It will be quite helpful to you, and the coupon code is here. You should try this. Another course is our Android development NDK. You can see this course is also very important. You can go and look onto this course. See here you can find about how to develop an app through C and C++. This course is 2 hours course, and the coupon code is here. This is new course, so if you want you can try this also. You can see the coupon code here. The next course is about Adobe Lightroom Masterclass. This is for beginner to expert. So this is one of the nice course you will see for Photoshop editing. You can work with this. The coupon code is here. You can see this, and the course duration is 8 hours. It's one of the nice course you will see for the Adobe Lightroom. So you should must try this. Another course is our website development. This is one of the best course you will see for the web development course, complete certificate course. It's like 4.3, and you can see total duration for this course is 20.5 hours. Coupon code, you can see this is the coupon code. It's really nice course. You can deal with everything here. So you should look into this. Another is our stock development, stock option day trading with chart pattern trading tools. So if you wanna go in the stock marketing, or you wanna understand the system, how to make the profit, then you should go for this course. This course is also nice course, 4 rated course, and the total duration is 10. You can see the coupon code is here, and whatever courses am I saying, you can get it through the description. There will be a link. You can go there and click on that. Your coupon code will be there, so you can apply that and you can access all the courses. Another courses for us is data structure and algorithm analysis job interview. This is one of the good courses you will find for data structure and algorithm. If you want to learn DS and algorithm, this is one of the nice course. You can write the code, run faster, and this course is helpful in a way for job interview also, because if you are from computer science or IT department background, then you should know that data structure and algorithm is one of the plays key role for getting a job, because in the quiz or whatever you say the interview, if there is a quantitative aptitude, or it's a interview level, then they can ask you the data structure and algorithm questions. So you should know this. That will be helpful for you, I'm sure. And this is the coupon code, so you should enroll this course also. It can be helpful for you. You can see in the next course is how to hack secure a web application. This is quite interesting. You can see 3.9 rated course, and the coupon code is here. Total duration of this course is 3 hours. You should try this. How to hack web application, you can learn from this how to build secure application. Next course is the basics of cybersecurity. This course is nice, 4.1. It's a 1 hour course, so 1 day time is remaining, so you can go through this. But it's only basic course. It's not like it's a so long course. You will go to very deep, but you can understand the basics. Like, okay, what is this cybersecurity? What comes inside this? So it will be helpful for you. So you should go and check it. This coupon code is there. So in description there are links, so you should go through there and enroll other courses. See, another course is for us is SQL for data analytics. If you wanna learn SQL, this is the course you should be waiting for. See, 4.6 rated course, new courses, and 5.5 hours course, and the coupon code is here. You can learn really very well SQL through this course. This is really nice course for data analytics, and you should definitely try this if you wanna earn data SQL analytics. See, the coupon code is here, and the another course is for us is Adobe Premiere. If you wanna learn video editing, we all know that how Adobe Premiere play a very important role in video editing, because this is the software which most of the people use for video editing for the higher level. So you should know this, and this is the course where they are gonna teach you about how to do video editing for beginners in Adobe Premiere, because it's quite interesting. You should definitely check it out. 9 hours course, 4.5 rated course, new course, almost 2 lakh students have enrolled in this, so you should definitely check it out. It's quite handful and helpful. See, the coupon code is here, so you can go through that also. Here is another course, practical photography course. This is one of the course you should be checking out. Become pro photographer, how can you do a better photography? So this is the course, this is the coupon code, you can check this out. Another course for us is ultimate content writing. So if any one of you is interested in content writing, or you wanna do in future for article, blog, creative content, so this is the course. It's almost 21-hour course. You can see the coupon code is there, and this is a nice course. You can see 4 rated course. It's quite interesting stuff. So if you wanna be a blogger or article writer, if you wanna work in the freelance department through content writing, then this is the course you should be checking out. Definitely see, the coupon code is here. It's quite impressive, and the review are nice, so you should definitely check it out. 50,000 students have already enrolled in this. Our next course is also a very important course, the complete Python developer course. You can see 4.2 rated course, 35,000 students have enrolled. 9 hours course, and the coupon code is here. So if you want to learn Python development, so you should check this out. It's quite interesting and nice, so it will be helpful. You can develop app through Python and build your first app. So let's see another course. This is also definitely a best course. See, the complete Java developer course. In this course you can learn through Java what are the advantage application of Java, how to create an app through Java. So it will be helpful for you. The coupon code is here, and you can see the coupon code is here, and as well as the course duration is 10 hours. See there, you go with this, it will be helpful for you. The next course is also just amazing, like as the previous course. This is about the complete Android app development. This is the course, bros and sis, whoever is listening and seeing this video, this is the course, because 4-point rated course, Android app development. You won't find easily all the courses available for this, but this is the course. You should look it and check it out. 22 hours course, coupon code is here, so you should definitely enroll in this course. The next course is here, the complete Android Kotlin course. See, if you are on a develop app, then Kotlin plays an important role. More than 1 lakh students have enrolled, and more than 6,000 students have rated. 3.99 is quite good score, and the total duration for this course is 33.5 hours. So they have tried to cover almost everything. So definitely look into this course. Coupon code is here. I hope you must have liked the video and you like the content, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel if you are new. Please support and keep supporting and share to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Till then, take care. Meet you in the next video.